Have you ever wanted to have a location independent business? A real deal internet business that is location independent, where you can make money from anywhere in the world and you can make big money. If you said yes, listen, do affiliate marketing. This is your ticket to freedom. This is where you can sell other people's products. You don't have to create them. You don't have to customer service anybody. You don't have to deliver the products, no merchant payments, and it's location independent business model. And if you're going to do affiliate marketing, though, you want to make sure that you do it differently than what everybody else is preaching out there. Most people are not making money in affiliate marketing. I'll tell you why. Because they're following two schools of thought. Number one, right, is all these other gurus telling you, you got to get a product on Clickbank and then just slam it with traffic and pray and hope it's going to convert for you. And that's why most people are not making money with that model. Second school of thought is the funnel-based model, right? And that's where they tell you, build a list and then sell to your list and then just hammer your list every single day with different affiliate offers. Well, what's the problem? Well, the problem is that doesn't work either, right? How do you win in affiliate marketing? Listen, I just did a campaign about 5 days ago. Started a brand new campaign from scratch, and 5 days, just in 5 days, that generated over $600,000 in sales, and about 50% commission. That's about almost $300,000 in commissions, selling somebody else's product. I didn't have to deliver it. I didn't have to customer service anybody. And I spent this much on marketing for that particular campaign. The big question is, what? How does that work, right? Well, you do what's called a connector hub-based business model. This is the only way for you to make big money in affiliate marketing today, right now. If you want to know how to set it up, literally step by step, where we can create and launch your own affiliate marketing business, a real deal lucrative business, I'm holding a free masterclass. This is not a rah-rah pitch, whatever, thingy that you probably, see other people doing it out there. I'm literally holding a step-by-step workshop where I'm going to show you exactly my setup. We are crushing with this model. I tell you where I get my offers, how I create my marketing systems where I don't have to sell anything personally, where I get my traffic for pennies on the dollar, how you can put everything together within about 30 days, launch it, actually be in profit position within about a week, and then for you to really scale it up within about 30 days and take it as big as you want. This is really next level stuff. If you want to learn these things, I'm holding a free masterclass. You can register and attend. It's upcoming. It's game changer things. We are on a mission right now to create super affiliates, and I'm going to show you exactly what's working for us and and our people here, what I do. I'm going to take you behind this campaign that generated over $600,000 just in the last week. It is crazy. Register. Let me show you how it's done.